In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get GoHighLevel for 50% off with an exclusive discount. If you're on the lookout for a great deal on GoHighLevel, then you're in the right place. We understand that savings are important, especially when you're diving into a platform like GoHighLevel. So let's dive into the best strategies to maximize your savings. One of the most effective ways to snag a substantial discount is by waiting for official seasonal promotions. GoHighLevel typically runs these promotions during specific times of the year, such as Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or during their summer and holiday promotions. These events are your golden opportunity to secure a significant discount, often up to 50% off, making this the best option available. Now, if you're new to GoHighLevel, there's a recommended approach to not only secure a discount, but also get the most value out of the platform. Start by taking advantage of an extended trial period. This allows you ample time to familiarize yourself with the platform. During this trial period, focus your efforts on learning the workflows and funnels. These are essential components of GoHighLevel that will empower you to optimize your usage and achieve better results. While you're exploring the platform and getting comfy with its features, keep these seasonal promotions in mind. As the dates for Black Friday, summer sales, or holiday promotions approach, be ready to act. These strategic times will offer the most lucrative discounts, allowing you to save significantly over the standard pricing. Once you've gone through the trial and these promotional periods roll around, that's when you can make your move. Consider locking in annual billing during this time to maximize your savings. Not only does it offer a lower price point compared to monthly billing, but when paired with the seasonal discounts, the savings can be substantial. Besides being cost-effective, an annual billing plan also frees you from monthly payment reminders, letting you focus solely on growing your business instead of worrying about recurring bills. In summary, waiting for seasonal promotions is the best strategy for getting GoHighLevel at a 50% discount. This approach maximizes your savings while giving you the chance to truly understand and leverage the robust capabilities of the platform. So, there you have it. Stay vigilant for those seasonal promotions, use them strategically, and you'll be able to secure GoHighLevel at a fantastic price while setting yourself up for success with the platform. Thanks for tuning in, and happy saving.